All right, everybody. Louis Porcino, manovermarket.com. Hello, everybody. Louis Porcino, manovermarket.com. And this is the midday update. Well, don't ever complain of not having any volatility anymore. So I love it. I just got to love it. But you got to have a stomach for it. Anyway, at the end of the day, um, it went to 1840. Actually, it made a low of 1830 half. And man, was that a violent recovery. Now, I got to tell you, I am flat, and I'm looking from a profile point of view. It has the potential of having the bottom in here. I'm really concerned that there's a lot of shorts in the market, and later in the day that we go, the later the day we go, and they don't take that bottom out, I think it could test 32 half again, and that could be it. And I don't think that it's it for the correction, but I think it may be it for the day. And we're sitting here, we're sitting here right here now, 83,000 negative delta, 83,000 negative delta. You people that have been with me for a while, I've been telling you that these guys are all like rats. All the institutional traders are rats. When the button says buy, they buy. When it says sell, they sell. And that's what you saw this morning. So if there's these institutional shorts in here and we don't take the low out, they're going to want to cover this by the end of the day, and I could see a rally up, back up through. Um, I hope I'm not going too fast. Let's go here. All right, day mode. The day mode is sitting right here, at 49 half, 49 half. All right. So if I was kind of looking at some of the day chart here, post day charts, past day charts. If we get above 47 and we build a little base above 47, um, and I'm just looking at this right here. If you take a look at this breakout area right here, right, it looks like it's right in here. That's 46 area, 47. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong area, right here, right. If we get above there, if we get above this again today, and we build a bottom, I'm sorry if this computer, all these computers are going slow. If you guys are having trouble with your domes, everybody is. Actually, TOS was pretty good today, but my other domes were very slow, and I got freezing up on me. So, anyway, going back to this, um, I am out of the market flat right now, and I'm being very cautious about the setups. I think we have the potential of rallying back up to 51. Our mode is 49 half, as I just showed you, and I've been jumping around again. I'm going to show you again on this chart here. But with all that negative delta sitting there, if we don't take out the lows, um, and we start rallying, you could see some short covering, just like we saw this morning. I mean, that was a brutal rally, 3,000 points off the low. Now, I also told you guys when it was rallying that I was selling 54s to 56 half, and I didn't get a chance to tell you, but I did tell you that I was actually selling them. I started selling them there, and I sold them all the way up to 60 even. I was looking at these lows and our 5 minute pivot. Remember, I tell you the pivot moves down. The pivot now is sitting at 59 half, basically. We get a close above that, and this thing would turn into a shit show on the upside. Sorry. All right, that's another technical term, a shit show. Anyway, I and it will move down with more time. So I'm looking at the market trading between here, which is 51 half, and if it stays above this 52 quarter area and more, and then these are all going to scale up. Like remember I told you this morning I was looking for 1840, 1840, 1840. If we form some sort of bottom up here and get back up there, I don't know. These shorts will start bailing. So right now I am out looking for the next setup, and uh, we'll be back. You know, I will be back at the end of the day. But for me, I'm concerned that it may be a little overdone on the downside right now. But you never know when these guys got to do these sell programs again. So at the end of the day, if we do go back down there, I've drawn some lines here. You know, 24 half is a target. 24 half. All right. I ultimately think that 1803 is where this thing is headed. 1803. That's what I think. So, well, let's stay in touch with that. I mean, we're already down 3,500 points on the day. My my 24-year-old son called me this morning, who's working for a financial firm, and said, Dad, this thing's down 3,500 points on the opening. I go, you haven't seen anything yet. This is coming from a guy who traded in the crash of '87, and I was around 9/11, 2000. You gotta love it, people. You gotta love it. Look, I'm sorry if the site is, we're getting a lot of users on the site. It's causing it to bog down. So I'll try to update both on the site and on Twitter, and I'll get this server program, server problems solved. And everybody, be cool, man. You just gotta, you gotta look at. You're getting overextension. We probably have, I think, the 5 minute average rotation is 500 points right now. So you got to trade, keep your size down and be able to sit through some stuff. All right, good luck, good trading. This is the key areas between 51 and 32. The longer we spend, and let's watch when people from New York come back from lunch. Let's see what happens. 49 half is the day mode right now. And there's just a lot of negative delta in there, and I think that they'll start lifting it. But if we get under the 32 half and it starts pressing, then I think the market's going to 25. So everybody, I wish I could give you the exact panacea. As you can see, as we were talking now, the 5 minute pivot has moved down again. So now it's at 1958. Let's call it quarter, 58 quarter. All right. So you will get an update from me on the pivot, and good luck. And I hope everyone's making some dough. Talk to you later. Bye.